Okay, guys, I just killed some Ferris wheels ago, 10 minutes ago, and this is the blood stain. Smells like blood. Don't do not trust them. It's not a lipstick. It's a true blood stain. Look how smells the blood stain is. It's slightly salty. Let me just keep them from my chest, but I had another stack of my chest here. So let's just keep in there. So stay tuned. Goodbye. And I'll show you what the Ferris wheels before goodbye. I'll show you what it looks like the whole thing after it met his new friend before dying, before killing the dark blue t-shirt Ferris wheel.